In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Zelle QR code with Bank of America. If you've been looking for a straightforward guide to effortlessly manage and receive payments through Zell's QR code feature, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can easily access your unique QR code when you need it. First, grab your smartphone and launch the Bank of America mobile banking app. Don't worry if you haven't used it recently or if the app looks a bit different than last time. Just make sure it's up to date for the smoothest experience. Once the app is open, look at the home screen. Right there, you'll see an option labeled Transfer Zelle QR. Go ahead and tap on that. Alternatively, if you don't see it right away, you can also go through Pay and Transfer and then select Zelle QR from the list. This app makes moving money as easy as a few simple taps on your screen. After you've entered the Zelle section, you'll find yourself with a couple of choices. For our purpose, if your intention is to receive money, tap on Request. By doing so, two options will pop up, Contacts and QR Code. Now we're particularly interested in the QR Code feature here. On selecting QR Code, you'll see your very own unique Zelle QR code appear on the screen. Think of it as your personalized gateway for receiving payments swiftly and securely. At this point, it's crucial to remember that you want to have easy access to this, especially if you're planning on using it frequently. Now let's save or share that QR code for seamless future transactions. Most devices will straightforwardly offer you the option to share or save to photos. Choose the one that suits your needs best. If you opt to save it to your photos, this QR code will always be nestled in your gallery at your convenience. Meanwhile, if you choose to share it, you can send it directly to friends, family, or even business contacts who are ready to send you money. Last but not least, here's a nifty little tip for those using Zelle for business purposes. Consider printing your QR code and placing it where clients or customers can scan it easily. That way, transactions can be faster and more efficient. And there you have it, your complete guide to accessing and utilizing your Zelle QR code through Bank of America. This tool makes receiving payments simpler than ever, enhancing both personal and professional interactions. Just follow the steps each time, and managing payments through Zelle will be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!